Caleb on the keys, and today I'll be playing for you Song of the Scarecrow, page 49 in book 1. So, this song, I don't really have a preference on it. I just thought I think it's a pretty cool song. Simplistic, I like it. I think that's all to say about how much I like it. So you're gonna go E, and then you're gonna do G, E, C, and you're gonna do staccato like I said last time. So you're gonna go E, and then you're gonna go staccato with twice. And now you're gonna go D, E, F, G, or E, C, and then you're gonna go G, and then I believe you saw this in my last video, but I'll re-say them if I didn't show them in my last video. G and F. So you're gonna go G, and now you're gonna do the same thing you did for this way, but backwards, and instead there's a little twist. And then you're gonna do D flat, so like here. So like you did at the beginning, so you're gonna so you're gonna go D, and you're gonna go F and D. So this is gonna go E, and this is gonna be B, or no, F. This is gonna be E. This is gonna be B, and then this is gonna be F, and this is gonna be D. So you're gonna go. Back in right here, and then you're gonna part ways from this hand for a second, not leave it off the keyboard, but just not use it for a second. And then you're gonna go E, F, and then just a G. So now that we've gone through the song, we're going to work. Now I'm going to play through it slowly and then fastly, and you'll be on your way. This is Caleb on the keys, Song of the Scarecrow. Hope you enjoy. Bye.